Hello friends, so welcome back to our training video on Bitget trading bot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade with Bitget trading bot so securely and safely. Very important. And it's a practical video, so you're going to see me do it. You see how to do it. If you don't know how to use the bot in the first place, you're going to learn it in this video. Now, for those of us who are actually new to crypto trading, this is very simple. If you have heard people talk about making money through crypto, one of the best, easiest way to do that is through crypto trading. But crypto trading is a high risk thing, especially when you are doing it manually because of the way all these coins fluctuate in prices and values. So a lot of people have lost money. I remember when I started new in those days, I was just new to it. I lost serious money, even people's money I lost that they gave to me. So if you are new, you have to pay attention to learn how these things work. That's why these bots make things easier because they are much more clever than you are when it comes to mastering this trade. So, and most of the people use it. So if you have money you want to trade on crypto, but you are a newbie, you don't want to lose your money anyhow or go to all these Ponzi schemes, so you need to learn how to use bots traders, and it's going to be easy for you. Just put in your money and make some things. So, but while doing that, you still need to pay attention to some security measures, and that's what this is all about. So I'm going to do that now. This is my Bitget platform. So I'm going to go to bot. If you look at this, I'm already in the home page. So you're going to be seeing this place, bot. Remember I said it's a practical video. I'm going to show you exactly, look at it. So I'm going to click on that bot. I move on. Now, having clicked on bot, so if you look at this, there are different kind of bots we can use. We have the spot grid, we have the futures grid, we have this, and we have this. So, but I want to use the spot grid. Now, let me say, if you have a coin, because while doing this, you must have a base coin. In this case, we're going to use USDT as a base coin, which is the best to use. And then that means you must have had some USDT in your account. And that USDT wouldn't just be in your account, it should be on the spot, under the spot, part of your wallet and all that. Now, if you are dealing with futures grid, then your money should be in futures. And it's very, very simple. It's not even if you have money and it's not in spot, you can always transfer it to that. Very simple. No, it doesn't cost you anything. We have prepared videos on how to do this in time past. If you still want to know how to do it, we'll guide you. So, but already the little money I have here now, they are all in spot. So I'm going to choose spot grid. So I click on spot grid. When I click on spot grid, I will choose the coin I use. If you look at the coin I'm having, it's BGB. That is the Bitget token. It's their native token, BGB. That's what you're having here. In the last few whatever, it has gone down in price, but the current price is $4.671. Now, I decide to use this. If I don't want to use this, I can click up here, and choose any of the coin I want. But this is coin I want to use for now. So that's that same BGB. Now, there are things I'm going to consider. In this place, you're going to see 4 different bots. Let me say it. You're going to see AI balanced. You're going to see AI conservative. You're going to see AI aggressive. And so many of all of these things. It depends, whichever one you're using, you need to understand the risk level and all that. Again, when you look about the balance, it's a kind of in-between. That of conservative is low risk, is the lowest risk AI trading bot. But the truth is that in the course of time, it may not trade so much for you. You understand it? I explained it in our previous video. If you want that video, you can go look at it. I may drop it. Let me know through the comment box. You'll be able to understand how these things work. Then while you use the aggressive form, it has higher return or whatever, but the risk is also there. But I'm going to use that aggressive to show you how it works. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for the one, then they will have copy traders. That's the 4th one. Copy traders are using what others who are experts in the trading, you want to copy their trade and use it. But I'm not going to use that. So I'm searching for where I'm going to have aggressive. And also, the next thing I'm going to consider is amount I want to put in. Because while you're looking at this, you're seeing for instance, now you see this one. This one is telling you that the minimum you can put in is 9.3. But when you see 9.3, the system doesn't allow anything in fractions. So that 9.3 means you must have at least $10. You can't put 9.3 there. And if you put 9, it's less than what the minimum. So at least you can put there is $10. Pay attention to this. And this one is between 7 to 8 days. And you can see it. In the last 30 days, our backtested ROI is 138.45 and all that. So how 151 persons are doing it now. So I'm going to check. I'm looking for all of this. You can always play, like I said, for a newbie, you can try conservative, which is a low risk one. But make sure, look at the prices, the amount of the minimum you can have. I want to try the one with latest of $4. I'm going to see that on aggressive or so. So these ones are copy trading. If I check what I'm looking for, I can't see aggressive here. I might choose another coin. That's exactly what to do. Choose another coin where I can have my aggressive and also have something within the range of either $4 or $5, because that's what I want to spend on this. So what I'm seeing here now are all copy traders, all true. So as of yesterday, when I opened this, we have some aggressive, but it's like it has speed up. A lot of people have got into it. So I'm going to choose another coin. Pay attention. You are learning, and this is how to learn these things. These are stuff about crypto. If you don't know it, you don't know it. But having this knowledge is very important. You learn it for yourself, you can as well teach others. So I'm going to check another coin. Since this particular coin doesn't have what I'm looking for, I want to check another coin. I can still go with this balance and choose $7 or $8. I have up to that, but I don't want to go for that for now. So let me choose something I want. Okay, finally I had to choose BTC. Now look up, you can see. Under BTC now I've been able to see, look at this, this is AI aggressive. You can see the minimum here is 3.6. So I can use my $4 within 7 to 8 days. You can see it. So that's an example. So I'm going to use this one now. That's around $4 can go. Now look at how many people are using it. 38,420 people already on this particular one. You can see it. Now, another thing you have to do, let me tell you, if you check in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has dropped by 2.39%. In fact, that's the strategy. This trending is good when coin has dropped temporarily, but you need to monitor the kind of coin, because if I'm going to play this within 7 to 8 days, and this coin will keep on dropping even in the next 1 week, then it's a serious one. So it might be that you may not make more profit because the bot wouldn't want to trade on coin that is, getting down there. And if you trade, it's a loss you're going to have. You may make profit, but that profit is in form of loss because something is going on. But if you watch Bitcoin for some time now, even as of yesterday or 2 days ago, it grows to 120 something. It comes out. So since it's fluctuating, there's every likeliness that in the next 24 hours, Bitcoin will still go back to 120. So it's a good one. So see what I'm going to do. I click on use. This aggressive. Watch. I want to put 75% of it. Okay, no. I might type what I want. So let me just put $4. I want to put $4. It's accepted. But if I put $30, you tell me not less than, you can't put less than 3.6. So $4 can go. Let me just try this $4, which is just 50%. Now, seller termination. What does that mean? If I leave that in there, means at the end of this period, either that's 7 or 8 days, that whatever coin the system could not trade, that is in BTC, should sell it. Are you getting it? You will sell it and return everything on the base coin being USDT. But if I click on hold model means whatever that he has not been able to trade, convert any BTC he has bought, he has not been able to convert within that period, please hold it for me. Because on my own, I will not choose what to do with it. That's what you're telling the system. But I want to sell all at termination. Once the period of trading ends, sell everything and return my money back to the USDT, which is my base income that I started with. So I leave it at that one. Then choose your parameters. Now, okay, price range, you can see already. The price range is between 112 to 124. So you can go down to 102. That's what you are choosing. You understand it? So you permit what you are doing. This means that you are permitting this bot So still be buying and selling, even if the price goes down to up to this. So you can change it. If you don't want this, you can just do something and change it. So even if it goes down to $112,000, remember it's 118 now. Please, no problem. You can buy at that level. You can do that. Then if you go to 124, sell and all that. That is the point. You can always change it. The degrees are just 3. But as it is, let's leave it without giving ourselves worry. So at this point, I'm going to click on confirm. The funds invested in the strategy are separated from your manual trading account. When the strategy is terminated, the funds will be unlocked. Yes, this one $4 is now locked until that period is over. Confirm. Parameters confirmation. Make sure this parameters is what you want. Grid order mode, authentic, slippage none, seller termination yes, will be bought when the strategy is enabled. This amount of BTC will be bought when the strategy is enabled. The exact order amount and order price may vary depending on this. After all this is just confirm it. Created. Use Bitget bot to make automated trading and earn smart. It's just telling. So I've created this. It's now running within the period 7 to 8 days. So this is it. At the end of this 7, 8, I'm going to prepare another video and show you what I'm able to get from this. So imagine you have $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 a year, busy looking for one Ponzi scheme or the other way to put money, or you are scared of, doing trading your own and getting too lost. Please, you can use this bot. But if you really want to know if it's working, wait for the next video that will confirm what I've just done right now. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and then set up your, your bell for notification. Very important. Share this video if it makes sense to you, and don't forget, if you are new to ByteGate, you want to join, please join our team. And if you have a question, use the comment. But I wish to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.